Something that everybody needs to know is that it's not just the Fed going on this week. The Supreme Court is probably going to make a decision before the end of the year about the tariff issue. And it's not going to be Christmas week. It's going to be this week or next week. And it could be this week. That's going to rock markets far more than any interest rate meeting with the Fed. I don't know what they decide. That is extremely important. I don't think enough people are aware of what's going on with that because it was months ago that was happening. But that is like extremely, extremely important. So again, I'm in some things that are down. They could go with that news, like that. And if we're up in any trades, I say, again, we get out because it could mess up trades. Like, I don't know what they decide, nor do we know the reaction. But if you listen to the hearing, which was, I don't even remember when it was, I listened to part of it, it wasn't going in Trump's favor. It wasn't going in Trump's favor. So it you know, that's FYI. It could sell off markets. And that news is going to drop when it drops, and it could be like any second, or it could be Friday, or it could be tomorrow. Like, you don't know. Or it could be Monday. You follow what I'm saying? So I'm back and forth here between Netflix and the Marvell and the Tesla. I'm going to do whatever sets up first. AP, I saw you come back in and out. I don't know if you're still having issues. You got to get with support. But if you get bumped right before the open like that, you're going to miss the trade. I don't know if you can hear me. Let's see what we can get here today with this Netflix. And again, I got out of all the trades, so the original ones, which I still think was the right thing to do. All right, here we go. Netflix. Stop's going to be 120. I don't know the entry yet, but it looks like this is going to roll over again here. Trump made a negative comment about this yesterday. That's part of the reasons it's down. This may not go through. This may not go through. Or may have some difficulty. Okay, gotta wait. Look at this. Well. Okay, let's do, oh shit, it's going, I didn't get it. No, it's going already, I didn't get it. It's going too fast. No, let's just do it. Do it right here and size yourself right, it's gonna go. Make sure you have the stop in. Make sure you have the stop in. Gerard, AP is having a lot of issues here, he's in and out. Be in it if you wanna be in it. Again, it hit really hard. Like, we're not going to get a perfect entry on this. It is what it is. You could do it right here. Actually get a better price right here than I got. But just make sure you size yourself right. AP, either you can't hear at all or I don't know what's going on. Marvell could still go. And Tesla we left alone, but still could go too. And Marvell's probably going to go. Oops. Here we are. Again, I just decided to do it. It wasn't going to wait, but I could have probably got a better entry if I had waited like 10 more seconds. If you're in it, you're in it. Just size yourself right. We're looking for 98, 97, 95. Netflix could get to 95. AP, I see your writing, so you know how to do it, and it works. But I think you missed the call on the trade because you were in and out, in and out. But at least you got it working. Here we are, Netflix, Netflix, Netflix. Let's look at the market quick. Here's the market. I mean, look, it's just over everything here now. It looks like it's going to make new highs. I'm not going long this. Again, just I really don't even know what I'm going to do between now and Wednesday. We did Netflix today, but I'm really not going to be putting a lot of trades on between now and Wednesday for sure. I looked at everything this morning. There's absolutely nothing up but the market. We'll talk about that when we're done. Here we go. Netflix, if you're in it. Netflix, if you're in it. Under 98. Under 98 and a push and a flush, and we should be out of all trades very quickly this week and very fast. If this doesn't break 98, I'm just going to be out with whatever I make. Here we go. Here it goes. Here it goes. Here it goes. Well, thank God I did it. I did not have the perfect entry in this, but it was better than nothing. Here, Netflix. Who's in it? Here we go. Under 98, under 98, under 98. Don't bounce. Again, I think this goes to 95. Oh, it's just like, here, Netflix. Here we go. Here we go, under 98, under 98. Wait for the push, or you could be out if you want. Here we go, we're gonna do it, we're gonna do it. We're gonna break it. There, that's what I wanted. Out! Great start to the week. Here we go, here's 97s in sight. Whoa, look at that. Here, it's gonna go to 97. Is anyone still in it? Again, easier to hold the option, and I still think we gotta be out of every day trade this week really quickly and really fast. And I sort of think that way about options too, but again, it would have made no sense to hold those trades Friday and today, but if anybody did, they're getting saved right here. They're getting saved by the bell. Jennifer T, can you hear? Do you have sound? Everyone should be fine. Great job, everybody. Wonderful job and a great way to start the week, and we're off to a good start. We're off to a great start, which could be what could be actually a very, very good week for us.